Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw your Palmpay trial cash earnings. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that you can't withdraw the trial cash itself. Trial cash is a virtual reward that helps you earn interest. The money you can withdraw is the interest earned from the trial cash or from that trial cash. So first open your app and sign in into your account and earn all the trial cash that you want. So as example, click on transfer at the top and you'll be earning your trial cash. Once you do so, once you earn everything possible, you'll find earn more with savings. Just go and click on that. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself right here with the balance that you really have. So this is the balance that you earn through interest. And to withdraw it, just click on your withdraw button at the bottom left. Once you click on it here, you will find the amount to withdraw. So enter the amount that you want to withdraw and where do you want to withdraw it. So you'll normally have a PayPal balance to withdraw it to. If you have any other available like a withdraw destination, you can choose it from there. If you don't, you can just withdraw to Palmpay balance. So after the withdrawal is complete, basically, you will get this message like the withdrawal is successful, the amount and the payment type, and how much, as example, you exactly withdrawn, and of course, when it was withdrawn as well. So click on complete and you successfully will have the money withdrawn. So that will be for me in this video. I hope you found this helpful. Hit that like and subscribe if you do, and watch our next video.